Now it's my pleasure to introduce my good friend, the State Secretary of Education, Dr. Dave Long.
Good morning, everyone. Just want to say a few words to you and actually give you a few strokes to pump you up. And the first two gentlemen really started. I don't think we say this often enough. You folks that are down here really personify academic strength, and you personify achievement, and most importantly, you personify certainly excellence. I just want to put a little pressure on you now, because you are so good. California has won 10 national titles in the last 14 years. 10 national titles in 14 years. In the 26 years of national competition, think about this. California has placed either first or second in the nation save 1 year. So 25 to 26 years, either first or second in the nation, the pressure is on. On behalf of the Governor, Arnold Schwarzenegger, I want to thank you, and I want to congratulate you for what you have done and what you'll do in the future. Now, Dave Gordon just said something that I want to close with. Dave, I coached for 21 years, cross-country and track. So when I came into this position, I thought, what can we do to really model and illustrate the excellence that goes on with our students in California? And tomorrow night, there's some of you sitting here right now, tomorrow night, over in the convention center, we'll have the first Governor's Academic Recognition Day. We'll have 144 students across this great state to be recognized tomorrow night for their academic excellence, and the evening will be culminated with naming the first ever 25 students to the California All-State Academic Team. If we can have All-State football and basketball, we most certainly can have an All-State academic team. Congratulations and good luck.